Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In our previous video, we will learn how to add two columns using the Power Query. But today we will learn how to get a list of file names from folder and subfolders using the Power Query. So let's get started. First, open your Excel workbook and go to the Data tab and click on Get Data. From the drop-down menu, select from File and then select from folder, and from this window browse the folder and select the main folder. Let's say I want to get all the files and subfolder from the pet files folder, so I'm going to select only the pet files and click on open. You can see all the files and their details have been uploaded in the preview window, like the file names, extensions, date. If you want to get all these results, so click on the load button here. The Power Query brings all the files here, the Excel file, the PNG, PDF with their details in the form of table. You can filter them by clicking on this little drop down arrow. But if you want to remove some of the columns and want to add some other columns, like I want to remove these date columns and add the columns like size and the read only. So add a new sheet here, go to the Data tab again and click on the Get Data from the files and click on the option from folder. Now select the folder and click on open. Now in this time we will click on this option, transform data. Now the Power Query editor have been opened. Now select the columns that you want to delete them by pressing the Control key. Right click and select the option remove columns. Now to add the other details like the size or the files are hidden or not, so click on these arrows in the attribute columns and there are different options. Select the options that you want to show, like the size, read only and hidden, and click OK. Now you can see all the columns have been added. Now if you want to get only the Excel files, so in the extension columns, click on this drop down arrow and select only the Excel files, unselect all the other files and click OK. This will show only the Excel files here. Close this window to load the results. So here are our results. This will create a new sheet with the list of file names and their paths. And there you have it, a quick, efficient way to list all the file names from folder and subfolders using Power Query. And if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.